Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. I hope you all are fine. Previously I make you learn about the machines and IT tools and the use of IT tools. Then we learn about the computer, that what is computer and what different types of work we can do on it. Also how these different types of work are going to be done. Now students, I am going to start a new lesson, a computer in our everyday life. Chapter 3 of your computer book. Okay, now let's take out your book first. Okay, now students, open page number 12, write down date on the top, 28 August 2020. This is your chapter number 3, computers in our everyday life. Let's start reading it. Today, computers are being used everywhere to do a variety of tasks. Let us see where we can see them and what job they can do. Number 1. At home, computers can be used to do homework, play games, listen to music, watch cartoons, surf the internet. At banks, computer can be used to keep an account of money, withdraw money from the ATM. Okay, now students, here it is written that surf the internet in your home place. So the meaning of surf is to search. Okay, surf the internet means you have to search the internet. When you are searching internet, that means you are doing surf the internet. Okay, at banks, and here it is written that withdraw money from the ATM. Withdraw means to take out the money from ATM. When you taking out your money from the ATM, you are actually withdrawing your money from the ATM. Okay, now number 1 place is your home. So students, at least 90% of students have computer in their home. First thing is that you must use your computer with your parents' permission and always maintain the distance from the screen of computer while using it. Okay, now let's learn what different works you can do on computer at home. First, having entertainment, you can watch cartoon, movies, you can also listen music on it, you can play many games on it, and for entertainment, and for doing your work, your school work, your any educational work, you can search on internet about different things to learn about it, and you can also do your homework on the computer. Now number 2 place is bank. We use computer to keep record of the customer who had opened their accounts in the bank, like like how much money they are taking out and deposit their money in their accounts. Deposit means to putting your money inside the bank account. When you taking out your money, you are withdrawing your money. When you putting your money inside the bank account, you are actually deposited. Okay? Now we can also use the computer to keep the record of money which customers withdraw from ATM. Withdraw means I told you that to take out. Okay, so the customers which withdraw the money from ATM, computer keep also the record of it. Okay, so today we learn about the work of computer in two places, that is your home and bank. Students, now take out your copies for work. Okay, now students, open your copy and open the index page. Now write down number 3 in your serial number column. Write down date 28/8/2020 in your date column. Then write down the name of chapter number 3, computer in our everyday life, in your topic column. Now turn your page. Okay, now students, come to the last page of your copy after chapter number 2. Now make the title page of chapter number 3, computers in our everyday life, on the blank page. Okay, now move towards the lining page. Okay, now start your work. Write down the date first, 28/8/2020, in your date column, date row. Now come to line number 1. Write down question and answers at the top. Question and answer. Now come to line number 2. Write down question number 1. Name some places where we use computer. Now come to the 4th line. Now write down the answer. Number 1, at home. Then come to the next line. Number 2, at schools. Number 3, at offices. Number 4, at banks. Number 5, at hospitals. Number 6, at all factories. Now you have to write each single name in each single line, on each single line. Okay, so you have to do the work in the same way I have done it. Okay, now after that you have to write it down. If you have a space and the lines are left on your copy, you have to write it down like this: second monthly syllabus has been completed, on the same page. Otherwise, if your page has been filled up, then turn your page like this. Turn your page and come to the next page. On the blank page you have to write it down that second monthly syllabus has been completed. Students, please do not mess up the work. You have to do your work in a neat and clean way. Okay, now take care. Allah Hafiz.